Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to host our own pre-trained LLM like GPT-5, OSS 20 GB model in our own system using Nvidia um, console. Okay, let me see now how we will use Nvidia 80G Spot to host our own LLM. So this will help us to avoid unnecessary token limitations. If we go for any model like Google, Gemini, Cloud AI, and Open AI, anything. If you go anything based on the token, there will be the limitation. We need to pay huge amount for any applications. If you are use our own LLM, own hosted LLM, we can use this LLM for any applications without worry about tokenization. Let me see how we can use Nvidia to host our own LLM in our system, in our cloud hardware. Then we can use this deployed one in our existing or agentic applications. Let me see. So I am going to use HyperStack. So in this HyperStack, initially you will not find any charges. So we can add some dollar to deploy our own machine. So we are going to deploy new machines. In these machines, we will see. I think this is the we have a lot of machines, but based on our requirement, we can select the machines. For example, if I select this one, it have all the informations. So as a default, I will select this one, and we can see the configuration here. 28 CPUs, 180 GB. This is more than enough for us. It will be good. So 100 GB disk space and 750. Everything is available here. So I selected this. After selected this, yeah, I think create or select. So when we see here, so here the system asks us to HyperStack asks us to add. When we go and see this machine, it will ask. So you need to create or select the SSH key. So I will go here, create a new pair, Canada or anything. Create a SSH key locally on our computer using as a keychain and copy and paste here. For example, I will select the default Canada one and hyper private key generate. Okay. So where we will get the key now? So we will create the key using partition. So once I create the partition, we can add the public key here and private key when we are going to deploy the model. Okay, partition, PUTTY partition. So I open this. Here I will generate. So we need to drag the mouse key to, generate the key. Okay, now it's created. I will save public key here. I will save HyperStack public key. I save, and I will save also the private key. So I will save here um, HyperStack private key. Save. Okay. So we will go now. Here I will open here and open the desktop. In the desktop, I can see public key. So this one, I am taking the public key. Let me. So in this one, I am going to copy this public key here. Okay, and import is successfully imported. Okay, so now we have the um, public key is added in this machine. We have the private key that we will use for open the install model in our machine. Okay, now we will go here. See, now it's show the deploy option. Okay, great. Is enable. Okay, is enable. Okay, I will use this deploy. So we can here if you select two, it will change the amount will be changed the based on the machine type. Okay, I will select the this machine configuration 28 GB CPU and 180 GB RAM. Okay, I will deploy this. Yes, great. Now it's deployed. See, it's creating. It will take little time. So it will take little time. Once it's deployed, it will appear here. So this is the informations about the system. So in the networking, yeah, we will. We need to, I think, wait for some time. Private volumes, and we can add till the time we can add TCP port range 12999. Add. Yeah, we will wait for active the machine. Yeah, now it's active. So this is the ID IP address for us. Okay, now we will enable the firewall rules. 12999, add. Okay, is added. So in the outbound roles, allow VM to communicate outside role is automatically added. So I don't think we need to add again. Okay, I think you no need, right? Okay, fine. Enable SSH. Okay, we will add all the informations needed. Manage firewall, everything's we added here. Volumes. Uh, so is added the public IP address now. Before it was a private. I enable the private public, so it's come public IP address. Then label performance matrix, event log. See all the informations are available here. Okay. So now we have the IP address. This is the machine is created. Now we have the IP address. We will use this IP address to connect and deploy our model. Okay. Copy. We will go to the partition. Um, let me. So now the machine is ready. The public IP address available. We need to see how to log in this machine. Okay. Before that, we will double check. We will enable all the features available here. We will enable everything. Okay. I don't know why it's created. I did not created this. Okay. Volumes. I think it's no need now. Back for label, performance, event log. Okay. Now it's created. Okay. Go back. See, this is the machines now available. It is active. So see, the amount is reduced based on our usage and timing. So now available. So now we need to open the machines. So for that we need to open the partition. So since we don't have the putty, I will download this one. So we can download the putty. So as same time, once I download, I will close the screen and I will enable and I will install this. Okay. Next, install. I am installing. Finish. So now I open the pet putty. Okay, now I will open the putty. Okay, So here I will copy the a public IP address and paste here. We will keep the port as 22. Okay, default port. Then we will um, select the SSH. I think charge. How much charge is there? Yeah, 25 postage, no problem. Okay, so we will select this one and authenticate credentials. Before that, we need to sessions already added, and this one credentials. We will select there in the machines in the HyperStack. We add the public address, right? Public key. Here we will add the private key. Okay, here let's we check this. We need to do. We can get the private key from the hyper. It comes as a text file. Um, we need in this PEMP format. Okay, see this one PPK format file. So for that we need this. Okay, open. After open, we will open this. Accept. Wow, good. Now we log in the system. Ubuntu. Let me check this one. So I will putty. I will open the putty again. I will paste this and SSH for login into our virtual machine. So here I will add the private key. Okay, open. Now is open. Ubundu Ubuntu. Refuse our key. See, say refuse our key. It shows. Let me check here. In well, I will check where we created this machine. I think it's created in Canada, right? So we will create this pair in Canada only. Stacking. I will use this. Say private key. I think already I added. So I added the key here. I already saved the as a private key. So here I added the same what we check. I add the IP address. Then I open the machine. I enter login as Ubuntu. Once is Ubuntu, say I can see the information, system informations. Okay, how much I use, usage, limit, IP address v4, everything. See, this is the address, everything I can see. So after that, we need to see about the Nvidia. So now what we will do here, we log in now successfully. We log in into the machine. Okay, very good. So now we will see Nvidia. See, wow, great. Now we can see the our machine details. Um, what is up here? Nvidia, the H100, everything it shows. Then okay, uh, okay, clear. Now is fine. Now we are going to do our activities. What we are going to see, what we are going to, we need to install all the necessary commands. Okay, sudo add app repository, everything you are going to add. Okay, let me wait. Yeah, is in the installing. Yeah, now it's installed. We will install another, we will update the yeah, package. Okay, now it's updating. Yeah, it's updated. Wow, now I think now we are going to launch our own LLM, our own system. Okay, install. Okay, fine. Next, what we need to create the same like our application creation. We need to create our own virtual environment. Okay, so let's we wait till it's complete. Yeah. Okay, now we need to create our own virtual environment. Okay, it's created. We will activate the virtual environment. Okay, activated. Good. We will do the setup tool. Okay, now we are going to do our main stuff. Here before do install our GPT, we need to install the VLLM. It's like a API, like so it will help the for us to reduce the tokenization memory and make the system and the result very fast and quick. Okay, so we will install a VLLM. Okay, now we will install. It shows not found. So here we'll install. Yeah, it's downloading now. So now we are installing VLLM. So in the VLLM we add the GPT tools, everything we are adding here. Okay. Once finish this, we will install GPT. GPT, OSS is a final command. Let me check. It's running. We will wait till it's finished. So I think you all understand that what the use of VLLM is for. Memory is like a API to act in between the machines and the LLM. It will reduce the tokenization memory and give the result and things very fast. We can see that VLLM. Okay, what is VLLM? So VLLM open source library that function as a high throughput, memory efficient inference server for large language model. Okay, it's downloading. See, let me see our machines and see how much charging. See, now it's reduced almost $1 going to finish. This consume very fast. So, if you are using the machines, it will charge. So, same like this, we can la, yeah, install embedded model. We can after install we can use the same embedded model for any application to embedding before keeping the vector database. So it will avoid the tokenization charging unnecessary amount. Then I add install GPT OSS 20b. Wow, congratulations for us. See, now it is going, we will use our own LLM in our system. We can keep this LLM and we can share with our, if we have a company, we can maintain the token and give the to the clients also.